everybody, it's Christine from the Gospel Method, and in this video we're going to be learning how to play some right hand melody in the key of B flat using the song Hark the Herald, Angels Sing. So if you haven't done so already, be sure to go over to the website, thegospelmethod.com, and download your free handout for today. Page 1 is a simplified, just regular chord sheet that we would normally play right hand chords. And the second page has these green letters on it, and this is the one we're going to be using right now for the melody. Alright, so the green notes are going to be the melody, and then we have our chords underneath it. And we're going to go over how to play it smoothly with the right hand and how to add in the left hand together. So let's take a look right away at verse 1. You can see we have B flat, F, right? We're in the key of B flat. So we see our B flat chords there, but also in the right hand we see some flats, because if we're in the key of B flat, our chords are made of those notes, and our melody is generally going to follow that scale, where we're going to be using a lot of B flats and E flats. But regardless of what key you're in, we always follow the same thing. First we figure out what the notes are, and then we figure out a smooth way to play them, okay? I'm going to give you some options for fingering, but it doesn't mean it's the right fingering, it's just an option. Whatever feels comfortable and smooth to you. So first thing, I'm going to try to play it with my thumb, see if I can reach some of these notes. And that's pretty good. So I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger for you here. So I'm going to add in that here, finger 1, and then I'm just going to stretch up to that B flat, F, B flat. I can easily reach that with my third finger. So to me, that's no big deal. It might be, too big for you, so you can change it to a 4 or whatever. But this is just to give you an idea of how to make your fingers. So I would go 1, 3, 3, 2, 3, 5, 5, 4. And that's pretty easy. Like, it's quite comfortable. I don't have to jump around. And that's the first of the first line there. But then I got to get up to this high F. So a couple options. If you're totally new to this, just jump. Right? And then you can finish your line up there. So I'm going to write 5 here. But I don't particularly want a big hop there. I don't want that space. So what I might do is when I get to the end of the line, I have a 4 on my C. My ring finger is there. So I have a 4. And then while I'm holding that, this is called a slide is what I call it. As I'm there, I really quickly change my finger out to something else. And so that way I have all these fingers ready to go now. So that would look like this. So I'm starting here. Slide. Right? But if you're just beginning, just do the jump. It's okay. And if you're looking to make it a little more smooth and melodic, like a singer, then take your 4 and practice that. A little flick to get your fingers up there in time. It is very fast because you have to get ready all the way for that next one. Okay, now the next part is going to repeat itself. So we're going to start with finger 1 here. Jump up to the B flat with our middle finger. Okay, so peace on earth and mercy mild. Same thing, we have this high F. I think I'll do that same thing here. I'll do the 4. If you're up for it, you can do the slide, and if not, just jump up with your pinky. So peace on earth and mercy mild, good God and sin. Right? Okay, now here we're going to run our fingers. God and sinners reconciled. That's what you want to avoid, is the thumb hop or the pinky hop. So let's look here what we have. So we have to get here, C, B flat, A, we got to get all the way down here. So obviously we can't reach all of that with only 5 fingers. Well, if you have really big hands, actually you probably could. You could go 5, 4 on the C, but no, we're not going to do that. So what I might do, let's see, I might go da. If you would cross your 3 or cross your 4, that's often a nice way to do it. Feels comfortable. So I might try going 5, 1, 1, and then I have 4 notes left, so I might cross my 4 over. And that feels okay to me. As I'm on the C, I'm kind of tilting my hand, getting ready for that. So I would go 5, 1, 1, 4. I'm putting exclamation marks because we're crossing it. 3, 2, 1. So that 4 is going over. So God and sinners reconciled. So that might be one you want to circle and kind of practice that little section. Or come up with a different fingering, right? You could do a slide there. You could go 5, 1, slide my 5. Right? You could do something like that if you like the slide. So again, I just went 5, 1, quickly move my pinky. So there isn't one right answer, but that is an option. Now we have joyful and the nations rise. Again, we're going to hop right back up here to that high F. So I'm going to start with my pinky and see if I can reach some stuff here. Joyful, all ye nations rise. Well, that's great. We can reach them all. We have enough fingers. Looks like the next part is going to repeat itself. Join the triumph of the skies. Excellent. We have another high note. So again, I'll start with my pinky, see if I have enough fingers. What are my words? With angelic hosts proclaim. Wonderful. Okay, we can reach all that. Great. Then we got to jump down to the C. Let's see, am I already there? My thumb is already there on the C, kind of ready to go. But let's see if we can do it. Christ is born. And then I have a B flat. That could work. So we could do our thumb. It's already here. We'd go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the B flat is low, but I'm already kind of like floating. So I could easily reach down and get that 1 on my B flat and just go from there. Da, 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 da. So that's not too bad. Again, it looks kind of scary, like flats everywhere, right? But if you just go through line by line, and what makes sense to me? I have tiny hands. This makes sense to me. And then we'll keep going here, up to the high notes again. Hark the herald angels sing. Let's start with our 5 again. Da, 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 da. Now it looks similar, but it's not quite the same. So let's see what we could do here. If we start with our thumb again, I think we're going to run out. Right? If we put our thumb, da-da, we end up with that little hop. We don't want that. We don't want thumbs doing all the work or pinkies doing all the work. Let's see what else we could do. If you can reach it, you could put your 2 finger on the B flat. I might do that, even though I have small hands. I think I could do it. That's pretty comfortable. Or you could go start maybe on your 2 finger to make it a little easier. I think I would just keep it the same, but that's just to give you some options. 3, 4, and then what did I do here? Ba-da-da-da. Yeah, reach the 2 over. 2, 2, 1, 2. All right, so that's the idea. Again, you don't have to write down what I write down. You feel the notes, you know the song, and feel what makes sense to you. But let's play through it. I'll scroll as we go here, and you get the idea of what it might look like all together. Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King. Peace on earth and mercy mild, God of God and sinners, scroll reconciled. And then we jump. Joyful all ye nations rise, join the triumph of the skies. With the angelic host proclaim, Christ is born in Bethlehem. Keep going. Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King. All right, so that is the melody. That, for most of you, is the hardest part. That is going to be the majority of this video, is you learning the melody. But of course, we don't want just one hand. In this video, we will go over adding in 1 bass note. And then if you want to take it to the very next level, there's a link in the description for a free 7-day trial for our premium membership. And over there, I'll have a whole other video about left hand patterns, playing chords with your left hand, chord inversions with your left hand. So then you can end up with something. Right? So you can add in some, or with the chords. But we'll do a whole different video on that because that's a whole other ball game. So for this video, I want you to focus on getting that melody smooth, right? We don't want those pinky hops, like I said, right? Or the thumb hops. We want to get it really smooth. And then we want to bring in our left hand note and add it together so we get a little bit of that harmony in the bass note and learn how to play our hands together with melody. Okay, so all we're going to do is figure out where they line up. So this F and that B flat are on the same word. Hark the herald angels sing. So if you're making your own melody, which we may talk about in another video, you'll need to make sure they're on the right word. And then we just play the left hand note when we get to that note on the melody. Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King. It already makes a lot of nice harmony. Peace on earth. And then you have G minor. That's okay. It's still just a G for the bass note. Mercy, because we're not worried about the whole chord. God and sinners reconciled. Then we have B flat. Jump up to our F. Joyful all ye nations rise. Scroll. Join the triumph of the skies with angelic hosts. Again, C minor is just a C. Hosts proclaim Christ is born in Bethlehem. Keep going. Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King. So it takes a bit of hand-eye coordination, but that is the first step. I would not even go to trying to do chords with your left hand until you can do that confidently. Okay, that is the first step. This is beginner piano. It does not help you to jump ahead. I know a lot of teachers just kind of do whatever you want, but you know this channel, I want to make sure that you have the foundation right so that you can play and you can learn lots of different things and you're not taking a really long time on one song. The idea is to learn the skill and then apply it to a whole bunch of songs, so it's a lot of work up front, but it pays off at the end. So focus on your melody, focus on getting it smooth, add your left hand bass note, and then if you are looking for a little bit more, again, in the premium membership, I do have another video about how to do chords with the left hand and chord inversions and chord left hand patterns, okay? So enjoy that, enjoy your holiday music. I hope this has been fun, and we'll see you for the next one. Bye!